Microsoft Tuesday unveiled an artificial intelligence system that can assist software engineers as they create code. Microsoft is currently simplifying the process of programming as it began in 1975. GitHub Copilot uses code stored on GitHub, which Microsoft purchased in 2018, as well as other websites. Computers have been trying to educate themselves to create code for decades. The GitHub Copilot project makes use of a big amount of code in numerous programming languages and vast Azure cloud computing capability. GitHub Copilot is a virtual version of a pair programmer. That is, when two developers work together side by side on the same project. According to Friedman, the new program speeds up coding significantly. About 100 engineers used the Copilot tool while coding today, and almost all of them kept it on and took advice, Friedman said. GitHub Copilot is good at the second phase of programming, coming up with a concept and implementing it. When computers take care of the last mile, a lot of speed gains are possible. I won't have to jump through a bunch of documentation to obtain a tool to do a function that is quite helpful in increasing productivity, he added. GitHub Copilot is not just for experts like him. Scott believes that it may be something that makes programming more approachable. In fact, it works best with JavaScript, Python, and TypeScript. Microsoft intends to integrate GitHub Copilot into the paid Visual Studio solution in the future. GPT-3, a sophisticated model, was trained on enormous amounts of text by OpenAI and has been passed down to GitHub Copilot as Codex. Engineers gave the model a ton of public source code. Microsoft has relied on OpenAI to develop smart software before. Power App Studio was shown in October how it would be updated so that non-technical users could simply type in terms that represent what they want to add and have GPT-3 generate the required code. OpenAI believes AI models may generate code with the GPT-3, which they launched last year. For the next few months, people would touch the model and do things such as make a website that could design a watermelon-shaped butter. The Codex project is slated to release in the summer, Brockman added. Enterprises may one day be able to program in a way similar to that of Microsoft, said Scott. Microsoft currently offers only the service that knows about code stored in public repositories.